Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. A friend connected today morning and said, Deepak, I have been watching your videos for so many episodes, especially the senior citizen ones where you have been saying invest in the senior citizen scheme, in FDs, in floating rate bonds, in Prime Minister Vay Vandana Yojana, where we are getting returns of between 7.1 to 7.4%. I have today made an investment in my senior citizen father's name where I am getting 14% returns. Why have you never told me about this investment? I told her that there is no such investment which gives assured 14% return, and this was for life. As soon as she said life, understood that it is a pension plan. Only a pension plan can assure you returns for life. As of today, no pension plan across any insurance company gives returns of more than 6%. Where's the catch? Where did the 14% come from? Well, here it is. Most insurance company pension plans come with multiple options to take pensions. Most of these options do not give you back the capital, the money you invested at the time of buying the policy, at the time of starting the pension plan. So if you invested 10 lakhs and if you are getting 14% returns per annum, upon death of the individual, nothing will be given back by the insurance company. Hear it again. The nominee will not get back anything upon the death of the insured, which means even if you are being offered 14%, it will take you 6 years to just break even on the amount you've invested. Pension is taxable. You will be paying taxes on those pensions, which means it will take you almost 10 years to break even. For a senior citizen who's 85 years old, does it make sense to wait for 10 years to just break even? And if death happens in those years, nothing is payable. So, if you are getting 14% returns, know this, that you will not be getting your original amount or the capital back. Unlike any FD, RBI bonds, senior citizen savings scheme or LIC's Prime Minister Vay Vandana Yojana, wherein upon death, the full amount invested is returned to the nominee. Please understand your scheme, your investment before signing up on any investment.